welcome back to my channel. Hello mga ka-dumplings. Today we're going to review all about LED strip lights. Let's celebrate my 256 subscribers. Boom! The set comes with an AC adapter, a signal box, and a 5-meter LED strips. Right, Barbie? It also comes with a remote control with different kinds of settings and colors. This one we're gonna call the wire connector, and this is the 10-meter LED strip lights. It comes along with the things that I showed you before. Connect, ganon! The AC-DC adapter to the signal box, and then there you go. We have the red, green, blue, and then make sure that you have to remove the plastic for the battery, and then for you to be able to connect the two LED lights together, make sure that they are connected with the arrows facing each other. Here it is. When it's night, the red one's not working, but that could be easily rectified. Show you the solution in my next video. Hint, solder gun. So, para nasamut tayo para install ang LED lights, all we have to do is to change our outfit. Pack. Oh, pack. I'm so ready. This is my room with my lights on. Boom. Green. So I figure out the settings for this, and I'm like, if you put white on it, it just gives you all of the colors, but then as you can see, it casts a white light on the walls. RGB, which is the red one. Red for Valentine's, green for envy, blue for sad. Diba? It's so cool. It's so nice. An orange one. Okay, the orange thingy. The yellowish. Excited for this. Cyan is my channel color. Let's try green. Boom. Greenish. Bluish. More or less. Cyan. Okay, it's an okay for me. Okay, blue. Let's go with blue, and then purple-ish. Okay. Oh, I can see the purple now. Purple, pinkish, and then we have the pink one. Wow. I feel like I'm gonna make a makeup tutorial using this one. Okay, we have white, one of my favorites, pinkish, pinker, light bluish, greenish-ish, and we have the DIY what? Okay, DIY 2, DIY 3, okay, cool. DIY 4, DIY 5, do it yourself. I don't know why it say do it yourself. It's like you're so lazy. DIY 6, and we have the auto. Cool. Auto, and then we can make it flash like that. Warning, this could cause seizures, migraines, and headache. Okay, stop my eyes. I'm already blind as bad as it is. Okay, we have the quick flash. Then we have the slow flash. It says fade. Okay. Ooh, interesting. White, green, yellow, blue. Fade 3, back, Ganon. Ooh, I like the pic. Ooh. Number 7. Okay, comment down below what's your favorite color. And let's start it! The lights are so awesome that the insects began entering the room and they're attracted to the lights. Hey! Hey, like and subscribe!
Leave a like on this video, share, subscribe, ring the bell!